Hi everyone, this is Samrat and welcome to my channel. In this series, we are jumping into the world of microcontrollers, starting with that Mega 328P. We'll cover everything you need to know from basics to advanced concepts. First, we'll go over what a microcontroller is and how to use that Mega 328P to create logic, control sensors, drive motors, and much more. Though there are many microcontrollers out there like the ESP32, ESP8266, and STM32. But we'll start with the Arduino since it's beginner friendly. As we get comfortable, we'll move on to more advanced boards. What's unique about this series is that we won't just write code, we'll go deeper. We'll start with the Arduino IDE built-in functions like digital read, digital write, and more. Then we will take a look behind the scenes, even exploring assembly programming. This approach will help you truly understand how things work, making it easier to troubleshoot and experiment. So if you are ready to go beyond quick tutorials and really want to dig into microcontroller programming, this channel is for you. This is my very first video and I can't wait to share what I have learned over the years. I have been building and experimenting for a while now and I am excited to take you along for the ride. We'll go from ideas to finished projects, covering everything from programming and prototyping to even 3D printing. In the next video, we'll jump into the details. So stick around and let's get started. Thanks for watching and I hope you find this series helpful. This is Samrat, making robotics easy for you.